How to connect AutoDS to Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I am going to show you step by step how to connect AutoDS to Shopify. First of all, you have to open Shopify and tap on 3 lines at the right bottom. When you click on these 3 lines here, you have to click on the plus icon in front of your apps. Now here you can see that you have to click on the plus icon in front of apps. After that, here you have to select AutoDS and click on it. After that, here you have to click on the Add app. After clicking on the Add app, you have to click on your Install. After that, here you have to create your AutoDS account or create a new one or log into your old account. As soon as you log into your account and create a new, your account will be connected to Shopify. In this way, you can connect your Shopify account to AutoDS. If you want to create Shopify account, then you can create it with my link, which you will get in the description. You can use it with 1 month absolutely free.